Hello, everyone. Today, we'll study Korean using lines from the drama featuring An Hyo-seop, who voiced Jinwoo in K-pop Demon Hunters. By the way, in this drama, Hong Cheon-gi and
예쁩니다.
Yosub has red eyes just like Jinwoo from the Saja Boys. To briefly summarize the drama's story, Hong Cheon-gi, Kim, Yoo-jung, who paints pictures imbued with divine energy, and Haram An Hyo-seop, who possesses the sealed power of a demon king, are drawn to each other. They forge their destiny together and fall in love. It might even be a story similar to that of Rumi and Jinwoo from K-pop Demon Hunters. In the K-pop world, with his voice, and in real-life dramas with his acting, he played a character with red eyes both times. Isn't this fate? Anyway, we'll study Korean using the lines he said in today's drama. It's old-fashioned historical drama speech, so it might be a bit different, but wouldn't it be fun to try talking to each other in this style with friends? Oh, and you don't want to miss out on this fun Korean content, right? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're the first to see my new videos whenever I upload. If you could also give it a like, I'd really appreciate it.
눈이 진짜 예쁩니다.
Your eyes are really pretty.
눈이 진짜 예쁩니다.
눈이 진짜 예쁩니다.
눈이 진짜 예쁩니다.
눈이 진짜 예쁩니다.
처음 들어보네요. 그런 말.
I've never heard that before. Such a thing.
처음 들어보네요. 그런 말.
처음 들어보네요. 그런 말.
처음 들어보네요. 그런 말.
처음 들어보네요. 그런 말.
자신 있음 열어보아라.
If you're confident, open it.
자신 있으면 열어보아라.
자신 있음 열어보아라.
자신 있으면 열어보아라.
자신 있으면 열어보아라.
어째서 그 아이가 생각나는 것인가?
Why do I keep thinking about that kid?
어째서 그 아이가 생각나는 것인가?
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 아는 척하기도 싫을 만큼 내 잘못한 것이 있어.
Have I done something so wrong that you don't even want to pretend to know me?
아는 척 하기도 싫을 만큼 내 잘못한 것이 있어?
아는 척하기도 싫을 만큼 내 잘못한 것이 있어.
아는 척 하기도 싫을 만큼 내 잘못한 것이 있어?
아는 척 하기도 싫을 만큼 내 잘못한 것이 있어?
Korean has a really interesting feature. We often drop the subject in sentences. Let me give you some examples. In English, you must say, I am hungry, right? But in Korean, we just say,
배고파요.
there's no I needed because from context, everyone knows who's hungry. Another example
어디가?
means, where are you going? In English, you need, where are you going? But Korean drops the new. It's obvious from the situation who I'm asking. The key is context. Korean speakers naturally understand who's doing what based on the situation. So we don't need to say the subject explicitly. Communication still works perfectly. This might be confusing at first, but it's just a natural characteristic of Korean. Once you get used to reading the context,
그녀다.
you'll find it makes conversations flow really smoothly. Don't worry. Take your time getting familiar with it.
이곳에 자주 오십니까?
Do you come here often?
이곳에 자주 오십니까?
이곳에 자주 오십니까?
이곳에 자주 오십니까?
이곳에 자주 오십니까?
어딘지 잘 모릅니다.
I don't know where it is.
어딘지 잘 모릅니다.
어딘지 잘 모릅니다.
어딘지 잘 모릅니다.
어딘지 잘 모릅니다.
별이
별이 얼마나 많은데?
얼마나 많소?
How many stars are there?
별이 얼마나 많소.
별이
별이 얼마나 많은데?
얼마나 많소?
별이 얼마나 많소.
별이 얼마나 많소.
1억 개가 몇 개냐?
1억 개가 몇 개입니까?
How many is 100 million?
1억 개가 몇 개입니까?
1억 개가 몇 개냐?
1억 개가 몇 개입니까?
1억 개가 몇 개입니까?
1억 개가 몇 개입니까?
아주 많은 거다.
아주 많은 겁니다.
It's a very, very large amount.
아주 많은 겁니다.
아주 많은 겁니다.
아주 많은 겁니다.
아주 많은 겁니다.
난 낭자가 찾는 그 소년이 아니요.
I am not the boy you are looking for.
난 낭자가 찾는 그 소년이 아니요.
Nangja is an old word for young lady. These days we use the term agasi.
난 낭자가 찾는 그 소년이 아니요.
난 낭자가 찾는 그 소년이 아니요.
난 낭자가 찾는 그 소년이 아니요.
이제 그 소년은 그만 있는 게 좋겠어.
It's best to forget that boy now.
이제 그 소년은 그만 있는 게 좋겠어.
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 I give it to you. 이제 너에게 줄게.
Today we happen to learn Korean through lines from An Hyo-seop's drama, where he plays a similar role. Did you all have fun practicing Korean today? If you practice along with me once or twice a week, your Korean will improve in no time. I'll be back soon with another fun video. You know, subscriptions and likes are a huge motivation for me to keep uploading great content, right? Bye.